We're back here at Mark's, guys, so let's check out and see what he's up to. Mark, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a couple days.
It's been a few days.
Yeah,
man, what's up, dude?
Took off for the holidays.
Yeah, that's always good, man. Yeah, I had some time off as well. Took some time off. That's always good.
Today's like our Monday. Even though we work Monday.
Yeah.
Today's like our Monday, and we got a couple of cars we gotta do outside.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's about to rain, bro.
Yeah, and it's about to rain. It's kind of like a bad thing right
We
here.
had that Super Sport Cobalt that lifted ahead, so
yeah,
we're doing that.
We'll go check that out right now.
Then the Camaro, it's a V6.
Okay.
2010 Camaro.
Yeah.
The time machine cover, it's just with silicone. There's no gasket on it.
Okay.
So it
came off.
had a big leak, bro.
Shoot.
So we fixed that.
Yeah.
And then also the AC don't work, so we're gonna figure it out right now. We're gonna connect our HP and go to diagnostics.
Yeah.
And see if we could put up some codes to see what the actual problem is.
Nice, man.
And then was this thing? We're almost done.
Oh yeah, you're almost done with this.
Yeah, it won't take that long to put the heads and
so let's just check this out real
stuff.
quick here. Oh, yeah. Those are nice, man. Cool, cool.
And then, yeah, bro, and then we're checking it on the Coyote Swap F100 and on the G100. We started making the lines and stuff, bro. Started running the wire for the truck. Started making the lines for the GT500.
I see you guys got a SS Cobalt here. I haven't seen one of these in a while.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a little turbo in it. I don't know the size, but it's a tiny little turbo.
Yeah.
I'll make it from A to B, you know what I'm saying?
That's true.
It's actually the manager at our local O'Reilly's.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it lifted ahead, bro.
Yeah.
So we're putting everything back together.
Oh, dang. There's a chain. Yeah. Most of these four cylinders have chains like that, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a one piece.
Yeah.
Then the timing is pretty straightforward. It's like anything. But you gotta follow just the process.
Yeah. Well, then you were mentioning the Camaro here.
Yeah, we replaced the cover of the. Well, we replaced the cover, but we fixed the gasket.
Okay. Well, then you mentioned the AC problem as well, right?
Yeah, we're gonna
AC issue. Scanning it around. Cool.
Yeah, the gasket was all the front cover for the oil change.
Yeah.
For the time machine.
So it doesn't have like a gasket. It just has sealant.
Silicone.
Oh yeah, silicone.
Seals for the water pump, but for the actual cover, it's just silicone.
Silicone. That's crazy.
Silicone.
Yeah. Okay, so give us a rundown on. I see that you guys already kind of far along on this. So what's the rundown on the progress?
So since last time that there was adjustment on the floorboard, they put the intake on it and the injectors and
I see that you guys got the boss manifold on there. It's pretty cool.
It's pretty nice. So
they're
giving you the opening so you can start putting the wire harnesses and start looking for the switches.
Yeah.
And start adding the sensors and everything that go with this upgrade on the engine.
Yes.
Because you have to do the different adapters and stuff.
And then give us a rundown on this for people that don't know.
This is the computer. This is what you basically need to run the whole deal, the whole show.
Yeah.
It distributes energy and what to do to the transmission, to the engine. It tells you what to do in the inside.
Okay.
And everything has to be upgraded to have this swap.
Swap.
Yeah, you can't really go halfways or whatnot, but you need to do the whole process. Fuse box, and you need to do the dashboard, the tachometer, has to be adjusted. The way of the pressure reads it, the way the oil pressure and stuff like that. It needs to be programmed and updated because if you don't do that, the computer is worthless.
But yeah.
Well, and it's a pretty cool. You get to have something new, like you were saying, and something old, and that's pretty good.
Yeah, I think this is the interesting part about it. It's you get a cool body style of an older truck, but with the modern power. Because that's the thing. A lot of these older cars are slow. I know because I have a few. You know, I have an older car, and it's a V8, but it's slow for because it's an old car. Yeah, and it's heavy.
They have more power.
It's an older engine.
The weight of it, and then it'll move pretty quick. And plus, I guess since it's a more modern injection system and everything, it doesn't waste much gas either.
Yeah. All right, and so once you drop in the motor, was there any kind of modifying on here, or
you have to center it right and level it the block.
Yeah.
And you have to get special motor mounts for it so that it can withstand the weight of the engine, and then go with the cross member from the original frame.
Yes. I don't know. I know Mark said that the customer ordered them, right? Special order.
Yeah. You special order. There's websites that you order special. Yeah, they've already been through trimmings and they've been through adjustments that you can buy them and they fit just perfect.
Yeah.
They do this, you know.
Nice. So we can see here.
They do this exactly. And a lot of wires. There's gonna be way more wires than before.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So
everything's
everything needs
good.
to be added. The pedal needs to be upgraded. You can't use the original pedal because it's, you know, it works with the cruise control itself, so everything needs to be modified. They kept the original brakes. I mean, it's because they would have to change the calipers or the disc brakes. The drum brakes.
Yeah, the drum brakes. Yeah.
The drum pedal.
Okay.
It's moving on.
Yeah, because it depends on the customer if he wants to switch to disc or...
depending on his upgrades and depending on what he wants to invest into on the vehicle.
Yeah.
That's what really, you know,
True.
shows for what it's worth and what it is.
Yeah. Nice, man. So, I mean, you guys got this, some pretty good progress here. I believe so.
Yeah, the customer was real glad that, you know, stuff is moving forward.
Yeah.
And you know, I'd be excited too.
Yeah, for sure.
You know,
I know he's gonna be ripping this thing.
Yeah.
That's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah,
and I mean, it's a clean, looks like a pretty clean truck.
Yeah.
You know, it's not doesn't look
it's
rusted out or anything like some.
There.
Yeah, everything's there.
Everything is there.
Everything's brand new.
Whatever they've done to it, it's you can see and show how he's keeping original and he's adding something and.
Yeah. All right, nice. I guess I'll ask Mark about the progress on the 500, and we'll go from there. All right, Samson, what's going on with the progress on the 500?
Well, as you know, this one's getting a automatic transmission swap.
Yeah.
But our lift's been down, so we've been working on what we can on the fuel system.
Okay.
So we're putting put new fuel rails and put new lines. I had to make these lines. They're actually pretty hard to make them. You got to heat it up with the heat gun, spray with WD-40 and pop the thing in it. But it's not that simple. It's pretty hard. And then as far as under the hood, with the fuel system, I already got everything set up.
Yeah.
The rest of it on top of the fuel tank right there, I just gotta install the new fuel pump.
Yeah, the new fuel pump.
That's probably what I'm gonna do right now, and then hopefully we get the lift back up soon, and then we can finish up from the bottom.
From the bottom of the transmission. Yeah, I you know what? I've taken off a transmission before with jack stands, an old school way, and it's not cool. It's not fun. It's not fun at all. It's a lot of work, and it's kind of scary because then you know you're trying to unbolt the transmission, the round part, and then you're kind of thinking in your head, shoot, what if I do it too hard and it falls on me? So I did that for a Dodge Charger, so you get the engine out.
Yeah,
working
on jack stands, like if you're in the car,
yeah.
In general, it's not.
No.
It's a lot easier to have a lift, but
yeah, jack stands aren't
but
I don't like them too much.
It's kind of heavy, so.
Yeah, for sure.
I see how that can.
Yeah.
That's all the progress we've made on it now.
All right, cool. Well, I mean, it's coming along, and
we've had like other little jobs coming in.
Yeah, other little things going on. That's cool.
It's been like slow progress, and we have a little bit of time. Today we're gonna work on the fuel pump, soldering a couple wires, and then hopefully we get the lift back up, finish it up with the fuel system, and then continue with
the transmission once. Yeah, with the swap. Yeah. Okay, cool, man. All right, Mark. And so what's going on with this one here? What is it getting done?
This is our first car that me and Luis ever built together.
Oh, nice, man. It's actually pretty cool, dude.
4.5 years ago.
Wow.
On 3 twin turbo.
Yeah.
First car that we did. Pretty cool,
turbo.
man.
That's pretty cool, dude.
Pretty good.
It looks pretty good. I mean, you got a lot of aftermarket parts. Seems like the owner didn't really skip on.
Oh hell no.
A lot of the parts. He has welds, not just bead locks.
So it's back for minor upgrades.
Back for minor upgrades. Yeah. All right. So we'll keep progress on this one.